Hi guys, welcome to part 5 of my 6-part wedding hairstyle series where I show you guys 3 do-it-yourself bridal hairstyles and 3 bridesmaid hairstyles to complement the bride. If you haven't seen my previous 4 videos, I'll link them below. For today's video, I'm going to do a really easy braided bun hairstyle for a bride. Let's get started. I'm starting off by putting in my Luxury for Princess hair extensions in the color Frosted Blonde. I'll link them below. Then I'm going to brush my hair through with my favorite detangler brush to get the knots out and help blend the extensions with my blunt cut. First, gather a section from the left side right above your ear and move it forward, and same with the other side. Take the hair in the middle and put it in a low bun. Poof it out a little bit to loosen it up and add some volume. Then take the extra hair, divide it into 2, move it up, tie them together with a clear elastic, and then do a topsy, then twist to make a loop and push the bun through. Starting on the left side, do a Dutch braid and end with a regular 3-strand braid. Poof it out just to add a little volume. Do the exact same thing on the other side. Next, put the 2 braids together and then tie them together with a clear elastic. Flip it to create a loop and push the bun through. Then tuck the extra hair into your elastic. Make a few adjustments, poof it out some more, add some pins if needed. And here is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I cannot believe that this is the second to last video I'll be making in this series. I hope that it was helpful. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!